Welcome to the Bristol I, a stunning new construction condo by HHHunt Homes. Step into the luxury and comfort with this spacious floor plan offering 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and over 1,300 square feet of living space. As you approach the private entry, you'll be captivated by the stylish design and attention to detail. This home truly embodies modern living at its finest. The heart of the Bristol I is its well-appointed kitchen, featuring an expansive island and a convenient pantry. It's the perfect space for preparing gourmet meals or enjoying casual dining with friends and family in the adjacent dining nook. The spacious living area provides a comfortable and inviting atmosphere for relaxation and entertainment. With ample natural light and a layout designed for effortless living, it's the ideal space to create lasting memories. Retreat to the luxurious primary bedroom, offering a private bathroom and a generously sized walk-in closet. This sanctuary provides the perfect escape for relaxation and tranquility. The second bedroom, located adjacent to the second bathroom, offers versatility and comfort, making it an ideal space for guests, a home office, or a hobby room. Also located in the hall is an optional washer and dryer. With its thoughtful design, modern amenities, and spacious layout, the Bristol I offers the perfect combination of style and functionality for today's homeowner. Discover the Bristol I and experience the pinnacle of new construction, low-maintenance condo living. Contact us today at HHHuntHomes.com to learn more about this exceptional home by HHHunt Homes. HH Hunt, because it's how you live that matters.